Hi, welcome back to another Temu product review. Today we're looking over this little Gnome. So for this one, it has a plate on the bottom. I think they should have gone with beans. I think that would have stood up a little better, but that's okay. Okay guys, let's play the game. Leave a comment. Pause the video, leave a comment how much you think we paid for this, and then would you pay that price or would you let it go? Quality seems to be pretty decent for what you get. The hair, is this the, I think this is a beard, or is it the hair? It's hair or a beard, and that could be freely moved around. You got little buttons on here, his little arms move around. I think it's kind of cute. What do you think? What would you pay? Okay, you got your comment locked in. We paid $2.09.